How to lay a patio. Whether it's a place to entertain family and friends or a quiet spot to relax in your garden, a patio is a great addition to an outdoor space. You'll find a full list of tools and materials you'll need at the end of this video. A patio is a long-lasting garden feature, so it's best to carefully plan your design before starting. See our online guide or leaflet for advice on planning and preparation and aftercare. Having decided where to site your patio, check the area with the cable avoidance tool. You can find these at your local tool hire centre. Start by accurately laying out the position of the patio using pegs and string, checking each corner is square as you go. Then, using the string as a guide, mark the edge with a spade and dig out. You'll need to allow for 100 mm of subbase, 25 mm of slab layer, and the depth of your chosen paving slabs. Don't forget to include the necessary fall of 1 in 60 into your calculations. Add MOT Type 1 or Hardcore to a depth of 50 mm and then rake until it's roughly level. Then, compact with a whacker plate, which you can hire, or a tamper. Next, add another 50 mm layer of subbase and compact again. It's good practice to compact 2 levels, as it provides a very solid base for your patio. Add slab layer to a depth of 25 mm and rake the surface until it's roughly level. Following the manufacturer's instructions, add water using a watering can fitted with a fine rose and rake again to level the surface. Now it's time to add the paving slabs. When laying, remember to allow for a slope of 1 in 60 to encourage rainwater to run off. Dampen the underside of the slab with water before laying onto the slab layer. Introduce the first slab at the highest point of the patio. This first slab will act as a guide, so make sure it's level and square. Gently tamp down on the surface of the slab with a rubber mallet to bed it in. Continue to lay the slabs, not forgetting to allow space for the jointing. Use a suitable sized offcut of timber or a spacer to ensure an accurate and consistent result. Keep checking the levels of your slabs as you lay, remembering to allow for the 1 in 60 fall. Slab layer needs to dry slowly, so if any rain is forecast, cover the patio with plastic sheeting. Once the patio is dry, you can fill in the joints with slab layer or a mortar mix, which is 4 parts sand to 1 part cement. Add water to create a damp but not wet consistency, and then apply to the joints with a trowel. Finally, brush off any excess slab layer or mortar from the surface of the slab before it sets. Here is the list of tools you'll need to lay your patio. And here are the materials you'll use. And this is the recommended safety equipment needed. Now, simply sit back, relax, and enjoy your new patio.